Texture and feel are nice. I like pouring in the bath and it does moisturize my skin that way. Doesn't smell like ginger. Smells like strong citrus. I love this ginger oil, it helps with my pain in my joints. You don't get the result the same time, but as you continue to use it you will see your result. It worked great. Love the way it eased the pain. If a wonderful product, just wish it was larger. Bought this twice now and keep finding more ways to use it. My mom has terrible foot pain and ironically this is the only thing that helps relieve it. Helps soften smooth skin if massaged in hands daily. Smell is actually pleasant too. Click link in description for cheapest price on Amazon and for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all hair, skin and personal care items reviews. Please subscribe to my channel.